My current research is in the area of ageing. Specifically, I'm looking at some of the standard ways we think about ageing, whether it's through medicine or gerontology, and I'm interested in ways in which those approaches often construe ageing as a problem to be overcome or managed. And on the other side, I'm interested in philosophy in the theological tradition and some alternative ways that gives us for thinking about who and what we are as ageing human beings. In terms of how that relates to the project of human flourishing, I guess I'm interested in the ways that experiences of ageing and bodily decline, bodily and cognitive decline, can discipline or indicate some of the limits around flourishing language. So, flourishing language can be useful and important in all sorts of ways, but at what point does that language become unhelpful or start to lead us to look at things in ways that are more problematic?